Good morning, vacationers. Today we are headed on a journey to the center of the earth. We're gonna take a 50-minute bus ride and then go down, down, down. So this is our last port day. We're in another industrial park. Look at that mountain.
See the Staples nest when we're coming in? The glacier? No.
So your buses are right here on this one. You don't have to walk far.
Good morning to you.
We're awake.
First of all, to introduce myself and our driver, my name is Neil McMahon. Not a very Icelandic name. All Icelanders have nicknames. So his name is Siggy.
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 So we are entering a lava tube based on the Jules Verne novel, Journey to the Center of the Earth. This is where he got his story from. So we will show you the cave that they entered in.
For this tour. So today you're gonna visit an 8,000 year lava tube, and this is the before we are going all the way down, I'm just showing you the map, the layout, so you have a clue how it looks down there, because as I said, we do not have any additional lights. Right now we are standing here. This is the entrance.
We went down the steps. We are in the first lava tube.
Looks like a water table, and because of that the area gets a name. Also, there where the staircases are is actually the breakdown. So this is the ceiling that collapsed many thousand years ago. In 2001, this area was pronounced a national park, including the tube.
Low bridge.
Easily. Also, we're gonna have like a white color a little bit on the ceiling in general everywhere, but also something that's
Stalagmites.
approach this direction. On your right side, you're gonna spot some bones. They are not human bones. As I said before, everybody survived the tours, and you're also gonna survive it. But this was an Arctic fox. It's really common for us that we found Arctic foxes or sheeps inside of tubes because of the surface. There are so many small entrances, and unfortunately they fall into the tube and cannot find any more the way out. Material.
Look at the
no,
colors.
Iron.
The red.
Iron and the composition of lava.
Iron. So there's quite a bit of walking on this tour. Up and down steps.
So if you stay with the rope, you have a very nice path. If you stay away from the rope, you get this, which is very jaggedy.
Color is one material. We can also see many different basalt formations, what means that we can see what the lava was doing at the exact moment while it was trying to cool down. Here at the second staircases, before we're going all the way down, here in front of us is the biggest and the smallest lava stalagmite. As you can see, nobody was crazy enough to go there, break it, and take it like a souvenir.
great picture.
Yeah, the staircases look quite magical.
Yeah.
And with everybody walking down in their lights.
Yeah, it looks like a Christmas tree inside the cake. So this is the last stop of the tour. This is 35 meters below surface and 30 meters above sea level. Also here is the part where we're gonna get something what we do not have in Iceland during summertime. Can you guess what it is?
Total darkness.
Correct answer. I assume you have. Thank you very much. So I'm also gonna turn off my flashlight. What you can. The effect only lasts for a few seconds because the pupils were adjusting to the darkness and then suddenly we gave them bright lights. If you're wondering about the thing that's shining bright like a diamond on the ceiling, that's still the bacteria, no diamonds unfortunately. Bacteria is the only thing that's shining in here. But also there by the staircases, you can see the wall that's kind of red-brown, and that means that the lava went here in a form of a lava fall.
Looks like a couch or
Yeah. Like a bench.
The built-in furniture.
Yeah, the Flintstones. We are back. That was awesome. Awesome cave.
Yeah, thanks. Oh, we're talking.
It was.
That's pretty interesting.
Yeah. There's something else down there. So that was the journey to the center of the earth. I highly recommend doing the tour. It's a little strenuous. Hey guys, thanks for joining us on that journey to the center of the earth.
Yes, very cool lava tubes.
Thanks for coming. Please hit that like, subscribe, follow along. More Iceland. See ya. This trip was on a small luxury bus. It took about an hour to get here from the cruise ship port. This is Church Raffin. This was featured.
Hey vacationers, we are here in Iceland and we're at the volcano. Hope you're having a great day. Come join us, like and subscribe. See you soon.